Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the divine fruit. You look good, smell good, taste good. Judge the roots by its fruits. Judge the fruit by its roots, And you're rooted in this most positive and most abundant place. Use your gifts. Make sure that you show up and show out, because everyone loves a great, healthy piece of fruit. It's good for the soul, and you're good for the world. As I work to improve and free myself, I strengthen my foundation and my gifts. My intellect is light because I am a genius. My heart is warmth, and therefore I attract my community. And my soul is strong because I bend but never break. I'm so strong, and I continue to go and fight for what I believe in. I am nurtured by the divine sun, and my fruit reflects my inner light. Let it be rooted in positivity, gratitude, prosperity. Therefore, you can always win. You'll feel great. You'll taste great. And people will keep coming back to your tree to eat from your fruit. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.